Welcome to All About. Today we're going to talk about B18. B18 is one of those not too exciting blues, like a serious kind of. It has a little bit of cyan with B99, I'll say. So to me, it's always been a not exactly their blue. Um, Now that I used it, I like it. And we are doing a bonus combination that is a rebel combination. And we're going to go with BVs. So we're going to be combining the B family with the BV family. And it's going to match pretty well. It's going to blend very well, because they both blue. But you can see how beautiful it looks when you move it. Let me see. So it's going to be this is BVOA, and at the beginning over there it's B18. At the end I only used B14 on the edges. This is another one of those butterflies that Michelle Houghton is doing for us. Let me see what else. And I did find one Prismacolor pencil that would match with B18. It's actually called cerulean blue. So I guess that's what B18 reminds me of, and I don't use that very often. Anyway, I'm Elena with VioletaInk.com, and we sell Copic markers, Copic refills, the nibs, and Prismacolor pencils open stock. Thank you. And we're starting with B18. So we're going to be flicking away from the edge. This is B16. This is the one that I was thinking cyan, not B18. So anyway, this is B14 on top of it. This is for the natural family combination. We're going to underpaint with N5. I didn't want to change anything about B18. Usually when we underpaint, it does desaturate, but many times gives it a different feel, like botanical, organic, glass, things like that. This is N5, and then we added B18, B16, and B14. Now this is the bonus combination. This is N5, and then on top of it we're going to go with B18. We're going to flick away from the edge and a little bit more. On top of it we're using B16, just a little bit more. Remember, we have two more markers. And then I'm going to start with BV08 from the opposite edge. Now we're going to flick on top of it with BV04. BV04 has to go all the way to B16 so they can actually blend together. And that's it. I didn't go again. I just did it once. It will melt together. It will blend beautifully. This is Prismacolor Pencil Match. It's PC103 Cerulean Blue. I think it's cerulean or cerulean. I think it's cerulean blue. Anyway, and it is perfect. It just goes perfect. You just have to go a couple times with it, but that's about it. The staining test, I suspect is going to stain. Yeah, there it is. It's staining. Natural family combination on the top left wing. Also, I wanted to ask you, from all the butterflies that you've seen that Michelle Houghton has made for us, which one do you want me to color and post a video about? Just say which number you've seen it, which marker, then I can just go redo it and actually film it. So that was B18. On top of it is B16, and now I'm going very slow with B14 on top of it. I'm trying not to go over the line, so that's why I'm going to back blend. You can see how B14 is pretty juicy. It starts blending right away. This is N5. Now, every time I'm going to color, I clean my markers and look at them. I don't know. I do not know what happens. It's like they're like, no, let's make a mess so everybody see that we're messy. Anyway, that was N5, BV18, B16, and B14. I do clean them every time I use them. You know what I do think I'm doing wrong is I clean them with alcohol not on the nib, but close to the nib, and then I just close it. So I'm thinking that it's not dry yet. I'm gonna try that. Okay, this is the bonus combination, B18, and then on top of it, B16. Now we're gonna go with BV08, starting on the opposite edge. And now we're gonna go with BV04 on top of it. Remember, it has to go all the way to B16, almost touching B18. And then here I'm going again because I keep thinking it's not gonna blend, but it does blend. I don't know why I keep going and going. This is N5. We're going to underpaint. On top of it is gonna be B18, B16, oh, those are not the best flicks. I haven't colored in a while. Being busy. This is BV08 with the worst flicks ever. And then we're going with BV04 on top of it. And make sure it touches B16. Yep, I like it. Actually, when I finished it, it looks so cute. This is all about B18. Natural family combination is B18, B16, and B14. Underpainting with N5. And the bonus combination is B18, B16. Then start from the other side. BV08 and BV04. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next week. Bye!